I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? It ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
Bangin ka ba kasi nahuhulog na ako sa'yo naman kasi unggoy ka ba kasi sumasabit ka sa puso ko naman kasi gusto ka ba kasi you know I can't smile without you. Pagod na ako, maghapon ka na kasing tumatakbo sa isipan ko. Kasi naman kasi mahal kita. Bagay tayong dalawa, picture na para mapadevelop kita. Hindi tayo tao, hindi rin tayo hayop. Bagay tayo, bagay talaga. Papupulis kita kasi ninakaw mo ang puso ko naman kasi kutok ka ba kasi palagi ka sa ulo ko naman kasi apoy ka ba kasi I love you. Magsalmabitan ka nga kasi baka malunod ka sa pag-ibig ko. Kasi naman kasi mahal kita. Bagay tayong dalawa, pa-picture nga para mapadevelop kita. Hindi tayo tao, hindi rin tayo hayop. Bagay tayo, bagay talaga. Kamukha mo si